Okay. You ever want to know what's inside one of these BRITA water filters? Well, this goes to a BRITA, but it's a Kirkland brand. Let's cut it open. It's one we've already used. Let's go ahead and cut it open and see what it looks like inside. Okay, there you go. So some sand-like mixture, charcoal probably, there as well. Some interesting stuff. Let me flip the camera around here. So there you go. That is what is inside of the BRITA filter. Little fine ground pieces. Pretty cool. And there's what it looks like after you pour it all out. So you have a little bit of a mesh screen at the bottom, small enough that the medium of the pieces of charcoal and such don't get through. Pretty neat. So, yeah, learned something new. Hope you guys enjoyed.